Hey, I wanted to update you guys on some news. I'm sorry it's been so long since I got a video out. I've got some really exciting news. A wonderful friend of mine has a Tesla Cybertruck down in Tampa, and I want this to be a lesson for people that they should get out there and meet people, make friends, keep contacts, network. It's very important in life. It's very important in business. And if you want to have a new product come out, and you know, obviously you can't get every product, so you hope maybe one of your friends will call you out of the blue and say, hey, I got a Cybertruck, why don't you come down here and test it? So in a few days I'm going to go down and test it and do some drone footage and bring my GoPro and my iPhone and every camera I can dig up, and we'll do a nice little video. Some other news I wanted to tell you guys about. The Hertz rental car. I've been getting a lot of calls about the Hertz rental cars and the used electric vehicles, and you know, there's some good deals on those. The problem is I did call Hertz and they said, sorry, we're not a dealer, we cannot give you the $4,000 EV tax credit like a real dealership can. So you lose that on that used EV tax credit, which is kind of a bummer. So for example, if on their website it's a $22,000 Model 3, that's pretty much the price. Whereas you buy a used Model 3 from a dealer for $22,000, there's potential to get an extra $4,000, so it's really an $18,000 Tesla Model 3. So something to think about. But like I said, I'm going to be reviewing the Cybertruck in a few days. If you guys have any questions, comments about the Cybertruck, you hate it, you love it, you want to know about it, please leave them in the comments below. I really look forward to you guys commenting and letting me know what you want me to find out about the Cybertruck. You know, it's got a 48 volt architecture, it's got 4-wheel steering, it's got drive-by-wire, so there's all these cool features that aren't even discussed in the mainstream media, and I want you guys to really comment on it. And I know it's really polarizing on the looks. You either like it or you hate it. So there's really a dichotomy of views on that. So just let me know what you guys think. I appreciate all you guys are commenting and watching my videos. And I just hit 900,000 views, which is great. And I really appreciate every one of you guys. And I do want to let you know, I don't get a lot of revenue from YouTube, but it did pay for my drone, which is pretty cool, and that's all because of you guys. So thank you very much. Have a great day and be safe out there. Bye.
Welcome to Bryce's channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching.